रसैव पादं भज भक्ति लभ्यो प्रेमा विधानो परमपमर्थ तस्मै जगन्मंगल मंगलाय चैतन्य चंद्राय नमो नमस्ते चैतन्य आनंद लीलामय विग्रहाय हिमावदिव्यो छवि सुंदराय तस्मै महाप्रेमो रसप्रदाय चैतन्य चंद्राय नमो नमस्ते चैतन्य चंद्राय जन्नातुं कर्मनिष्ठेन च समधिगतम् जत्तप ध्यान योगैर् वैराग्यैस्त्यागस्तत्स्तुतिभिरपि न जत कीर्तन चापि कैश्चित् गोविंद प्रेम भाजंगपि न च कलितम् जद रहस्यम् स्वयं च नाम्नैव प्रादुरासीत् अवतरति परे जत्र तं नौमि गौरम् कर्मनिष्ठा तप ध्यान अष्टांग योगरि किंबा वैराग्य स्तव कर्म त्यागरि गोविंद प्रेमशाली मानकर जो गुढ़ तत्व गोचर थिला ताहा जो गौरचंद्र को उदयरी केवल नाम रे से प्रेम प्रकाश थला से गौरचंद्र को प्रणाम करुछि चैतन्य चंद्राय नमः नमस्ते चैतन्य चंद्राय नमः चैतन्य चंद्राय नमः नमस्ते श्री चैतन्य चंद्राय नमः चैतन्य चरितामृत आदि लीला दशम परिच्छेद श्री चैतन्य पदाम्भोज मधुपेभ्यो नमो नमः कथंचिद आश्रयाद जेषां स्वापि तद्गन्ध भागो भवेत् by Srila Prabhupada. Let me repeatedly offer my respectful obeisances unto the bee-like devotees who always taste the honey of the lotus feet of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Even a doggish non-devotee somehow takes shelter of such devotees, he enjoys aroma of the lotus flower. Purport by Srila Prabhupada. The example of a dog is very significant in this connection. A dog naturally doesn't become a devotee at any time. But still it is sometimes found that a dog of a devotee gradually becomes a devotee also. We have actually seen that a dog has no respect even for the tulsi plant. Indeed, a dog is especially inclined to pass urine on the tulsi plant. Therefore, the dog is the number one non-devotee. But Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Sankirtan movement is so strong that even a dog-like non-devotee can gradually become a devotee by the association of a devotee of Lord Chaitanya. Srila Sivananda Sen, great householder devotee of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, attracted a dog on the street while going to Jagannath Puri. The dog began to follow him and ultimately went to see Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and was liberated. Similarly, cats and dogs in the household of Srivas Thakur were also liberated. Cats and dogs and other animals are not expected to become devotees, but in the association of a pure devotee, they are also delivered. Lotus feet of Srimati Radharani will be manifested. Sansara dukkha jaladau patitasya kam krodhadi nakramakari kavalikrutasya durvasanan nigadatasya nirasvayasya Chaitanya Chandra mama dehi padavalammanam. Prayer to Chaitanya Chandra. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Oh Chaitanya Chandra, I am lowest of the low. I am fallen here in this dreadful ocean of materialistic existence and have been suffering lakhs of lives. My hands, my legs are all shackled. You understand? Tightly, strongly shackled, isn't it? I am in bondage, very strong bondage. There's nobody who can give me protection. I'm unprotected. Also, I have been affected by lust, greed, anger, do you understand? Lost, greed, anger, who are like sharks and crocodiles in that dreadful ocean of materialistic existence. Oh Chaitanya Chandra, without you, who can give me shelter? Please give me shelter at your lotus feet. Sansara sindhu tarane hrudayam jadi syat sankirtanamrita rase ramate manasche premambudau viharani jadi chitta bruti Chaitanya Chandra charane saranam prayat. Prabhupada Saraswati says, if someone is very serious, how to cross over this dreadful ocean of materialistic existence, he should take shelter of Prema Purushottama Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. If someone is very serious, eager, how to taste the nectar emanating from Gaura Kirtan, Sankirtan, he should take shelter of the lotus feet of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. One who is very eager in how to inundate in the ocean of love, do you understand? Because Mahaprabhu indiscriminately offers this Krishna Prema. When Mahaprabhu appeared here and started Sankirtan movement, that ocean of Prema, the flood, came and inundated the whole world. And if someone is very eager to inundate himself in that flood of Prema, he must take shelter of Sri Chaitanya Chandra. Do you understand? Because Sri Chaitanya Chandra, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, gives freely Krishna Prema without discrimination. Dante nidhaya tunakam padayo nirpatyo krutva chakaku sadami tadaham brabhimi he sadhava sakalameva vihayo durat gauranga chandra charani krutanuragam. These are quotations all from Chaitanya Chandramrita, Prabhupada Saraswati. Chaitanya, this Prabhupada Saraswati says, "Oh sadhus, I request you, catching straw in my teeth, falling at your lotus feet like a rod. I request you repeatedly and begging this, giving up everything. You sadhus should take shelter of the lotus feet of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Because Mahaprabhu freely offers Krishna Prema without discrimination. So please take shelter of his lotus feet." So Premananda Das, Vaishnava poet, sings like that. Uttama adama kichu na bachilo jatiye dile kokol kahe Premananda imana gaurange hudaye dhari abo. Premananda Das, the Vaishnava poet, also says like that. Who doesn't discriminate whether one is qualified or not qualified, worthy or not worthy, indiscriminately, who embraces one and all and offers Krishna Prem. Do you understand? One should take shelter of lotus feet of Gauranga. Clasp this lotus feet of Gauranga and put it, keep it on your heart. Do you understand? And say, Bhaja Gauranga, Kaha Gauranga, Law Gaurangar Namari, Jijana Gauranga Bhaji, so he Amar Pran. One who does bhajan of Gauranga is my heart and soul. In Tattva, Gaura and Krishna are one. There is no difference. Do you understand? But difference is there. Gaura is Krishna, Krishna is Gaura. Isn't it? Nanda Sutta Boli Jare Bhagavate Gai. Say Krishna Avatinna Chaitanya Goswami. Isn't it? Do you follow? Brajendra Kumar Jai Sachi Sutta Uilas Jai. Isn't it? One is son of Nanda Maharaj, he is son of Sachi Mata. Do you understand? So there is no difference between Gaura and Krishna. In Bhagavat, who is described as Nanda Sutta, son of Nanda Maharaj, that Krishna appeared as Chaitanya Goswami. Do you follow? There is no difference. But difference is there. In Braja Leela, you'll find there is Krishna and Radha, two bodies. There are two bodies, Krishna and Radha. Rasaraja Krishna and Mahabhavamai Radha. Do you follow? But in Gaura Leela, two bodies united together and become one. This is the difference. You follow? This is the only difference, nothing else. Therefore, Swarup Damodar Path has said, Naumi Krishna Swarupam. Gauranga is Krishna. So we pay obeisance to Gauranga as Krishna. Naumi Krishna Swarupam. Radha Bhava Dviti Subalitam. But his mood is different. Mood of Gauranga is different. It's not the same mood as Krishna. That is difference only. His mood is Radha Bhava Dviti. He has taken off the mood of Radharani and complexion of Radharani. Chaitanakyam prakata madhuna tadvayam chaikyamattadu. This Chaitanya form, the two bodies, two forms, Krishna and Radha, are one. This is the difference. Iki utam vapuravatu vo radhaya madhavasya. Chaitanya Chandramurti says, Gaura kopi braja virahini bhava magnasya kasti. The mood is different. Gauranga Mahaprabhu's mood is mood of Radharani. Radha Bhav is predominating. As Radharani feels pangs of separation from Krishna, Gauranga feels such pangs. Though he is Krishna, he feels the pangs of separation from Krishna, sheds tears. Sheds tears. This is the only difference. Sakshat Radha Madhuri Pupa Prabhati Gauranga Chandra. Purport is that Krishna is Gaura, Gaura is Krishna. Krishna Leela is Gaura Leela. Gaura Leela is Krishna Leela. There is no difference in tattva. But as there is no difference between Nama and Nami. Do you follow? Nama and Nami. Nami means name of Krishna. Nama, Krishna is Nami. Do you follow? Krishna is Nami. And name of Krishna is Nama. Nama, Nami. Do you follow my language? Just understand my language. Beauty is there. Avinnato Nama Nami no. There is no difference between name of Krishna and Krishna himself. Do you understand? So, as there is no difference between Nama and Nami tattvata, in tattva one, still, Purvasmat parameva hanta karunam. This formula is there. Principle is there. Purvasmat parameva hanta karunam. Though there is no difference between Nami and Nama, still Nama is more merciful than Nami. Do you follow? Nama is more merciful than Nami. Do you follow my language? Name of Krishna is more merciful than Krishna. Do you follow? Yes. Though there is no difference. Similarly, though there is no difference between Krishna and Gaura, but Gaura is more merciful than Krishna. Gaura Leela is merciful Leela. Do you follow me? Than Krishna Leela. And Gaura Leela is much more realist than that of Krishna Leela. This is the difference. Otherwise, there is no difference. Follow me? Huh? So, therefore, we say, those who don't take shelter of the lotus feet of Gauranga Mahaprabhu, they are very, very unfortunate persons. Avatirne Gaura Chandri, Vistirna Prema Sagare, Suprakasta Ratnaugo, Jo Dino Dino Eva Sa. When Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared, he manifested, he started Sankirtan Jagya, Nam Sankirtan, and through the chanting of holy name, he offered freely the Krishna Prema, an inundation of Prema flowed. Do you understand? Inundation of Prema flowed when Mahaprabhu appeared, started Sankirtan. Ocean of Prema, do you understand? Ocean of Prema manifested. Such golden opportunities available. But one who is most unfortunate fellow, Otobhagya, most unfortunate, Durbhaga, he doesn't avail this opportunity. He is most unfortunate. Achaitanyamidam visvam jadi chaitanyam iswaram na vidu sarva shastrajnapi brahmanti ti jana. We'll find also, nowadays it is also, we see, there are many pandits, scholars, learned scholars, big, big persons. They cannot accept Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu as Supreme Personality of Godhead, as Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, such a great scholar, Brahaspati Avatar, incarnation Brahaspati, first couldn't accept, couldn't understand that Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Supreme Personality of Godhead. His brother-in-law, Gopinath Acharya, tried his best to convince him. Still, he couldn't be convinced. That is what. So such persons are also nowadays. Those who cannot accept Mahaprabhu, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Supreme Personality Godhead. The Prabhupada Saraswati said, Achaitanyam idam visvam jadi chaitanyam iswaram na vidu sarva shastrajnapi brahmanti te jana. Such persons may be very, very proficient in all Vedic literatures, like Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya is a great pandit. He knows all Shastra. Still, if such persons cannot understand Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu as Supreme Personality Godhead, they cannot be delivered. They will be revolving in this cycle of birth and death repeatedly here in this material world. In spite of all their Vedic knowledge. You understand? Yes. In this Kali Kala, Kali Yuga, there is no other way to enter into the straight the path of devotion without Mahaprabhu's mercy. You understand? Kala kalir balina indriya vairi varga. Bhakti marga ya kantaka koti ruddha. Ha ha ko jami vikala kimam karomi. Chaitanya Chandra jadi nadya kripa karomi. Chaitanya Chandra jadi nadya kripa karosi. This age of Kali, very, very dangerous age, dreadful age. In this age, the senses, mind and senses are very stubborn, strong, like strong enemy, very strong, powerful enemies. They act like that. Do you understand? And the bhakti, marga, all effulgent path of bhakti is covered up with karma kanda, jnana kanda, materialistic, material logic, arguments, all gubayagya, filled with, is beset with innumerable thorns like this. Path of devotion in Kali Yuga. So, therefore, O Chaitanya Chandra, without your mercy, I cannot tread this path of devotion in Kali Yuga. Please shower mercy on me. I am in such a helpless condition. Unless you shower mercy on me, what shall I do? That is what is my destination. You follow? Sri Gaura Hari, Prema Purushottama, Sri Gaura Hari is the only deliverer of the people of Kali Yuga, jivas of Kali Yuga, nobody else. This karma koti niratasya duranta ghora, durbasana nigada srunkhalitasya gadham, Krisyan matehi kumati koti kadarthitasya, gaurang vinadhyamama ko vaviteha bandhu. The devotee prays to Gaura Hari. I am a very, very degraded soul, most sinful person. I am always engaged in crores of sinful activities. My hands, legs are shackled, tied up very tightly. You understand? The shackle of material desires. Very strong. You understand? I am associating with all non-devotees, rascals, miscreants, those who are leading me in a reverse way. You understand? Contradictory to devotion. I am in such a condition in this Kali Yuga. Oh, Gaura Hari, who is there? But you, my friend. You are my friend. Nobody else is there. No friend is there. But you will help me in such condition. You understand? This is prayer. Hmm. Hmm. Without taking shelter of Gaura Hari, Gaurang Mahaprabhu, if someone may do some other sadhanas, those sadhanas will be proved all fruitless. Ha hanta hanta paramosar chitta bhumavu. Vyarthi bhavanti mama sadhana koto yopi. Sarvatmana Tadaham adbhuta bhakti bijam Sri Gaurachandra Charanam Saranam Karomi. Ay, alas, alas. My heart is like a block of very hard stone. Do you understand? A block of very hard stone, my heart, isn't it? It's a barren land. It is a barren land. Huh? I am trying to sow crores of seeds of sadhana in this barren land. What will happen? Nothing will fructify. It's barren land, very hard block of stone. Do you understand? So how can this bhakti bija, the seed of bhakti, will fructify in this heart? Impossible. So I take shelter at your lotus feet, O Chaitanya Chandra. If you shower mercy, that my such stone-like heart, hard stone-like heart, will be softer. My barren heart will be fertile. Then that seed of bhakti may fructify. You understand? Gaurachandra, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is the only shelter here in this Kali Yuga. One who is without shelter is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, only shelter. Sansara dukha upatitasya kam krodhadina kramakari kabalikrutasya drubbasana nigiditasya nirasresa Chaitanya Chandra mama dehi padavalammanam. Oh Chaitanya Chandra, I have been drowning here in this dreadful ocean of materialistic existence from time immemorial. Do you understand? Many innumerable material desires I have. Those desires are acting like a very strong shackle. I have bound up with those shackles. I have no shelter. I have been affected by Kam, Krodh, lust, greed, anger, who are like sharks and crocodiles in this dreadful ocean of materialistic existence. And I am in such a dangerous state, condition, without shelter. Please give me shelter at your lotus. Who can give me shelter? But you, O Chaitanya Chandra. Do you understand? This is prayer. Without the mercy of Chaitanya Chandra, without the mercy of the Gaura Priyajana, dear devotee of Gauranga Mahaprabhu, nobody can get Krishna Prema. Pasana parisinchita amruta rasai nirbhankura sambhavet langlom sarmapater vignata syadasya naivat rjabam hasta bunnayata buddha kathamohodharjam vidormandalam sarvam sadhanamastu gaura karuna bhavena bhavossava. If you sprinkle nectar, do you understand? Crores of times on a hard block of stone, do you expect that the seed will be fortified, sown there? If you put the tail of a dog, you understand, under plaster, make it plaster and make it straight. Can it be straightened? No. It will always curve, whatever you may do. Do you understand? Can anybody catch up the moon by stretching his hand? Huh? As all these things are impossible, cannot be. Similarly, without Gaura Krupa, prema cannot be available. Do you follow my language? Yes. Because Gaurang Mahaprabhu offers Krishna prema indiscriminately. Patra patra vicharanang na kurute na swam param vikhyate. Daya deya vimarsako nahi navakala pratikya prabhu. Sadhyoja sravane khyana pranamana dhyana dina durlabam. Datte bhakti rasam saeva bhagavan gaura param me gati. Do you follow? That Gauranga is wonderfully merciful, wonderfully munificent. Indiscriminately he offers Krishna prema. He never discriminates whether one is qualified or not qualified, whether one deserves and doesn't deserve, whether one is his own or not own. You understand? Whether it's auspicious or inauspicious. Never discriminates all these things. He offers prema. Such most munificent, most wonderfully munificent personality, incarnation, wonderfully magnanimous, wonderfully merciful incarnation, that Gaura Bhagavan is myself there. Nobody else. You understand? So this is the prayer of Gaura Bhakta. Chaitanyati Krubhamayati Paramudariti Nanavida Prema Visito Sarvabhuta Hudesti Asarja Dhamanniti Gaurangati Gunarnaveti Rasrupeti Sunam Priyati Asrantam Mama Jalpoto Janiriam Jaya Diti Prarthvaye. This is our prayer to Prema Purushottama Gauranga. Oh, Prema Purushottama Gauranga, you attract the heart of all the living entities. You understand? You are Sasidananda Vigraha, Chaitanya Chandra. Do you understand? You are wonderfully merciful, Dayanidhi, Chaitanya Chandra. You are wonderfully munificent, Mahabodhanya, most munificent incarnation, Chaitanya Chandra. Your heart is completely filled, unlimitedly filled with the, what do you say, pity for all the living entities. Your bodily hue is like molten gold, Tattva Kanchana Gauranga. Do you understand? You are Tattva Kanchana Gauranga. You are an unlimited ocean of mercy. Do you understand? Gauranga. You are Vipralamba Rasa Vigraha. You are the embodiment of Viraha, Vipralamba Bhav. Do you understand my language? Feeling pangs of separation from Krishna is Vipralamba Bhav. He Swanama Priya. You are very, very dear. Nityananda Prabhu has taught us. Nityananda Prabhu is more merciful than Gauranga. Mm. 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 Narottam Das Thakur Swami. Very nice songs are there. Gora Pahuna Bhajinu Bainu. My Guru Maharaj repeatedly, very sweetly sings this song. Can you see? Why can't you sing all these things? Huh? Huh? Another song is there. Are bhai bhajamro gaurango chorono. Bolo. Are bhai bhajamro gaurango chorono. Na bhajiya mainu dukhe ডুবিগ্রুহ বিষকূপে না ভজিয়া মৈনু দুঃখে ডুবিগৃহ বিষকূপে দগ্ধ কইল এ পঞ্চ পুরাণ দগ্ধ কইল এই পঞ্চ পুরাণ আরে ভাই ভজ মোর গৌরাঙ্গ চরণ আরে ভাই ভজ মোর গৌরাঙ্গ চরণ তাপত্রয় বিষানলে অহর্নিশ হিয়া জলে তাপ বিষানলে অহর্নিশ হিয়া জলে দেহ সদা হই অচেতন দেহ সদা হই অচেতন রিপুবশ ইন্দ্রিয় হইল গোরা পদ পাশরিল রিপুবশ ইন্দ্রিয় হইল গোরা পদ পাশরিল বিমুখ ইল হেন ধন বিমুখ ইল হেন ধন হেন গৌর দয়াময় ছাড়ি সব লাজ ভয় হেন দয়াময় ছাড়ি সব লাজ ভয় কায় মনে লরি শরণ কায় মনে লহরি শরণ পরম দুর্মতি ছিল তারি গোরা উদ্ধরিল পরম দুর্মতি ছিল তারি গোরা উদ্ধরিল তারা হইল পতিত পাবন তারা হইল পতিত পাবন গোরা দ্বিজ নটরাজে বান্ধ হরু দয় মাঝে গোরা দ্বিজ নটরাজে বান্ধ হরু দয় মাঝে কি করিবে সংসার শোভন কি করিবে সংসার সমান নরোত্তম দাস কহে গোরাসম কেহ নহে নরোত্তম দাস কহে গোরাসম কেহ নহে না ভজিতে দেও প্রেম ধন না ভজিতে দেহ প্রেম ধন হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরি 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 রাম 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 হরি হরি হরে কৃষ্ণ Narottam Das Thakur says, Are bhai bhaja moro Gauranga charan. Oh my brothers, please do the bhajana of the lotus feet of Gauranga Mahaprabhu. Na bhajiya moinu dukhe dubi griho visogupe. Dagdha koilo ye pancha puranam. But I am such unfortunate fellow, degraded, most degraded person. I am immersed in this Gruha Visakupa. Do you follow my language? A well, Gruha is a poisonous, deep poisonous well. I am immersed in that poisonous well. Do you follow? So I cannot do. I am not doing the bhajan of Gauranga. So I have been suffering here. From time immemorial, I am burning as if in a frying pan. Do you understand? Tapatrayo visanole horniso yadole. I have been affected by three tapas. Adhyatmaka, Adhi Daivika, Adi Bhautika. Day and night, my heart is burning. That heat of three tapas. Do you understand? The whole sada hoy ochetan, my whole body becoming tainted, without consciousness, unconscious. Ripu vaso indriya hoilo gora podopa sorilo, vimukha hoilo henodhano. All my senses and mind are great enemies of mine. Huh? Isn't it? Great enemies. They are my great enemies. So I forgot the lotus feet of Gauranga, being, encircled, but surrounded with these great enemies, very powerful, dreadful enemies. I have forgotten the lotus feet of Gauranga. I am in such a condition, very dangerous, distressful condition. So who can give me shelter without Gauranga? Huh? Heno Gauradayamayo Sari Savalaj boy. Kaya Mani Lohore Soron. Gaurang Mahaprabhu is wonderfully merciful. The scene of mercy, giving up all your fear, shame. Do you understand? Take shelter of the lotus feet of Gaurang Mahaprabhu with body, mind and speech. Complete shelter. Parama Durgati, Durmati Chilo, Tare Gora Udharilo, Tara Hilo Potito Pavan. Is known as Potito Pavan, deliverer of the most fallen, degraded. Jagai and Madha is our most sinful, most degraded persons. Do you understand? That Gauranga Mahaprabhu delivered them is so wonderfully merciful. They become sadhus. They become the deliverer of the patitas. Do you understand? Gora Dija Nataraje Bandha Huru Maje Ki Koribe Sansar Suno. So, in your heart, you bind up that Gauranga Mahaprabhu. Do you understand? You bind up that Gauranga Mahaprabhu with the rope of love in your heart. This Sansar Saman, Jamaraj, will be afraid of you. You will never approach it, even in the dream. Do you understand? Narottama Dasa kohe gora samuke honoy, na bhajite deo premadhana. Narottama Das Thakur says, nobody, no avatar is as good as Gauranga, as merciful as Gauranga. Even is so wonderfully merciful, wonderfully munificent, that without discrimination, he gives premadhana. Do you understand? Such is Gauranga Mahaprabhu. You should take shelter of that. Gauranga Mahaprabhu, without, in this Kali Yuga, without taking shelter of Gauranga Mahaprabhu, nobody can be delivered. You have to, because he gives indiscriminate or freely. Krishna, prema, one get Krishna. But the question of deliverance. You understand? Automatically. The mukti will come to you without any endeavor. You understand? Without any endeavor. Mukti will come and stand at your doorstep with folded hands. I have come to serve you. You understand? In the queue, standing in the queue. You understand? Dharma, artha, kam, moksha. They are standing in queue at your doorstep. Yes. Just is that. नदिया नगरे निताय नेचे नेचे गाओ रे नदिया बोलो Nitai is dancing and singing this thing in Nadiya Nagar. Huh? Dance, stand up, dance. No dancing. Huh? No dancing. Can dance? Then, like a tree trunk, your legs are like tree trunk. Not dancing, tree trunk. Standing tree trunk. Fixed. Then next Bhartil tree. Our journey is not dancing. नदिया नगरे निताय नेचे नेचे गाओ रे नदी बोलो नदिया नगरे निताय नेचे नेचे गाओ रे नदिया निताय नेचे नेचे गाओ रे नदिया नगरे निताय नेचे नेचे गाओ रे नदिया नगरे निताय नेचे नेचे जगन्नाथ सुत महाप्रभु विश्वम्भर जगन्नाथ जगन्नाथ सुत महाप्रभु विश्वम्भर जगन्नाथ मायापुर शशि नवदीप सुधाकर मायापुर शशि नवदीप शची सुत गौर हरि निमाई सुंदर शची सुत राधा भाव कांति आच्छादित नटवर राधा भाव कांति आच्छादित नामानंद चपल बालक मातृभक्त नामानंद चपल ब्रह्मांड बोधन तुर्की कौतुकानुरक्त ब्रह्मांड बोधन तुर्की रक्त नदिया नगरी निताय नेचे नेचे गाओ रे नदिया नगरी निताय नदिया नगरी निताय नेचे नेचे गाओ रे नदिया नगरी निताय नेचे गाओ रे नदिया नगरी निताय नेचे नेचे गाओ रे नदिया नेचे नेचे गाओ रे कृष्ण नामान्मुत कृष्ण तत्व अध्यापक कृष्ण अन्मुत कृष्ण तत्व अध्यापक नाम संकीर्तन जुग धर्म प्रवर्तक नाम संकीर्तन जुग धर्म प्रवर्तक अद्वैत बांधव श्रीनिवास गृहधन अद्वैत श्रीनिवास गृहधन नित्यानंद प्राण गदाधरे जीवन नित्यानंद नदिया नगरी निताय नेचे नेचे गाओरी नदिया नदिया nagar nitai dancing and singing this thing. These are all names of Gauranga. Do you understand? 100 names of Gauranga. Very nice song. Chant, dance. Raju Losan. Huh? You should chant and dance. Huh? Yes, before Gauranga. Then get his mercy. Thank you. Right. So, yes.
In the West, we first generally we come in contact with Krishna. Then we learn about Radharani.
Oh.
But here in India, generally, as I learned, that devotees develop Gaura consciousness first, and then Krishna consciousness.
Yes, without Gaura Krupa.
Krishna's members.
Without Gaura Krupa, you cannot approach. Without Krupa, Nitai, Nityananda, you cannot approach. That will say, devotees of Gauranga Mahaprabhu are more merciful than manifestation of the devotees of Gauranga Mahaprabhu, Nityananda. Nitairo Karuna Hobe, Brode Radha Krishna. Without mercy of Nitai, you cannot get mercy of Radha Krishna and Brajabhumi. That is why this is Krishna Balaram Mandir, Gaur Nitai. That mercy is first Sattva, prayed. That is a goal. That will get Radha Krishna and Brajabhumi. Without the mercy of Nitai, you cannot. Should understand. ধরো নিতাইরও চরণ দুখান ক্লাস very tightly. To lotus feet of Nitai. They follow. Yes, very tightly class. Lotus feet of Nitai. Like leech like tenacity. Leech like. Don't be separated. Yes. I dash your head. Then get much. Then follow. Huh? Hey! Oh! Parasity. Parasity. Yes.
In India, there are many sadhus,
Mm.
many holy men who meditate. They even we see men come here and they study their scriptures in the temple here. So, if they're actually doing that activity, they have some idea of approaching the Lord. But without Gauranga Mahaprabhu's mercy, what benefit do they get from that?
Nothing. In Kali Yuga, nothing.
Nothing.
Yes, sir. Prabhupada Saraswati Pad. I quoted. Without Gaura Krupa, without the mercy of Gauranga Mahaprabhu, nobody can be delivered. In Kali Yuga.
Their activities are no better than the karmis.
Yes. Achaitanyam idam vishwam jadi chaitanya ishwara na vidu. Sarva shastra jnapi brahmyati tejana. And may very learned, very proficient in all Vedic literatures. If it doesn't know Gauranga Mahaprabhu, the Supreme Personality to Godhead, he cannot be delivered. That is it. Huh? Yes. Yes. Kali Yuga Gaura Krupa. Nityananda's Krupa, Gaur Nitai's Krupa. You should seek, pray for. Right, otherwise, no question of deliverance. Not to question. You get Krishna. What is question of deliverance? Is very, very insignificant. Mukti. Very, very insignificant. The goal is to get Krishna. Yes. Without mercy of Nitai and Gaur, you cannot have it. Only thing required. Yes.
So Guru Maharaj, again in India here, many people they worship their deities in their home. They have pictures of Krishna and they offer flowers and incense. So if they're actually developing some attraction to Krishna,
Krishna, they are bhaktas, Krishna bhaktas, but Krishna should prompt them. Krishna should shower his mercy on them. They should come to Gaura. Yes. In this Kali Yuga. Because Gaura is Krishna himself. But difference is the mood is mood of devotee, mood of Radharani. You understand?
Mhm.
Radha Bhav is predominating because Krishna only belongs to Radharani. Radha Vina Teho Karna. Krishna doesn't belong to anybody but Radha. So without Radharani's mercy, nobody can approach Krishna. And Gaura is Radha Bhava Svalita. Gaura is Radha Bhava Svalita. That means Radha Bhava is there in Gaura. So without mercy of Gaura, nobody can approach Krishna. That's fact. Yes. They may be worshipping Krishna, but without Gaura's mercy, they cannot. That's the thing.
So if in the course of their lives they come into contact with some Krishna consciousness, particularly through Gauranga Mahaprabhu, and they don't accept that, then that's when it's considered that worship is demonic.
Yes. They should accept. And if they are devotees of Krishna, worshipping Krishna, I think Krishna will prompt them. Yes. So, understand. So, approach Gaura, Nitai Gaura. Approach Gaura Priyajana. If they are serious to get Krishna. Yes. They're serious to get Krishna. Yes.
It seems that nearly everyone in Orissa, at least in Bengal, have an understanding of Mahaprabhu. But many of them don't actually see Lord Chaitanya as an incarnation of Krishna or as Krishna himself. But still they see him as a powerful devotee.
Like Sarvam Bhattacharya.
Hmm.
And what happened to Sarvam Bhattacharya? At last he got to the mercy of Gauranga. His brother-in-law, Gopinath Acharya, he became disgusted. Do you understand? He became disgusted. He tried his best to convince him that Gauranga Mahaprabhu is Supreme Personality. He couldn't. Because the heart is a hard block of stone, barren land. Usara Bhumite Bija. That we quoted that verse from Prabhupada Saraswati. My heart is like this. Crores of sadhana bija, the seed of crores of sadhana is becoming useless here. Not fructified. Yeah, isn't it? Without the mercy of Gaura, this hard block of stone, this heart, cannot become soft, cannot become fertile. The Gaura's mercy is required. Yes. Then bija, the seed will be immediately fructified.
And you can't get that without the mercy of Gaura Priyajana.
Yes, without the mercy of Gaura, you cannot get it. Yes, that's a fact.
So if one is representing Gaura Priyajana, even if he may be a very low neophyte, those people come in contact with the devotee of the Lord, then the creep is given there? Or do they actually have to have the association of the Paramahamsa?
No, Gaura Priyajana, whatever it may be, is a dear devotee of Gaura. Yes. Yes.
So if he's a servant of the Paramahamsa, then some contact is there, then if they take it, they'll...
Yes. Is Gaura Priyajana, is dear devotee of Gaura. Yes. He thinks of the servant 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 of Krishna. Gaura. Yes. And the speck of dust at their lotus feet. He thinks like that. Tunadapi Sunica is that's some blood. Then blood of grass lying in the street. That's tolerant as tree. He never demands respect. Rather gives respect to one and all. He is Gaura Priyajana. Yes, really. Yes. Whatever name is Gaura Priyajana. Yes.
Actually, really, our business isn't preaching about Krishna. Our business is preaching about Gauranga Mahaprabhu.
We're preaching Krishna. And we say, goal is to get Krishna. Then question how we can get Krishna. Then comes Gaura.
Yeah.